Gift guides save lives. This year's gift guide is a for anybody and for everybody gift guide. We have some expensive things and we have some cheap things, and all of these things are gender neutral. You're welcome. So this is for all of your friends, guys or girls. Literally anybody could use these things. So this isn't like for a specific type of person type of thing. This is literally for everyone. I really thought about this. And also these are all things that I genuinely like and love and or have used in the past. Some of these things I haven't used in the past, but a lot of these things like I love. So they're Ashley approved. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the 2018 gift guide. I don't know about you guys, but when I get a new toothbrush, I feel like an adult. I feel like I have everything under control. I'm accomplished in life. Like I'm doing things. I'm doing good at life. This is a new fancy version of the electronic toothbrush that gave us all the feels as children. Quip is sponsoring this video. Yeah! Quip starts at $25. I don't know if you guys have ever traveled with like any other electronic toothbrush before. It's super bulky, it's super big, you have to bring a charger, like it's just, there's so much to it. Quip is super simple. This is all that you need. It comes with a travel cover, a mirror mount that will stick to absolutely anything. I prefer Quip because it has a 2-minute timer with a 30-second guide, which is fantastic. And Quip is perfect for gifting because literally everybody needs a toothbrush, and this one's cute and this one's travel friendly and it's compact and it's fun and it's sleek and I like it. This one is a more expensive thing, but this is something that I got recently, probably in like September, and I have used them. I'm not kidding, probably every single day. I work out in them, I use them for work, I use them when I travel, I take them everywhere, and they are the Apple AirPods. I use these constantly. The wireless is the way to go, especially if you're constantly plugged into something, whether it's your phone or your laptop or a tablet or your TV or something else. They are a little on the expensive side, but that's why they're in the expensive category. They're amazing because they can fit in your pocket, and I'm not kidding. They go to the gym with me. They're in my work backpack all the time. I edit with these, I travel with these, I listen to music and podcasts with these. I live with these. So this is one of the like best things I could offer to anyone. It's the winter season, it's cold outside, and no one will hate you if you give them an amazing, comfy new throw blanket. This is throw blanket season, you know? So I got this one from Urban Outfitters. It was really cheap. It was like $20, $30-ish. This can go to your mom. This can go to your sister, your friend, your uncle, your grandpa, your grandma. Like they all want a blanket. A diffuser. Now this one is specifically for your friend that loves all the homeopathic remedies, that loves essential oils, that uses organic deodorant. This is for that friend. And we all have one of them. It's super cute, it's small, it's very like modern looking. This says it was $40, but I'm pretty sure I got it for 30 something. It was on sale. So yeah, go get your friend a diffuser because it's just calming and relaxing. Everybody can use a backpack. And I personally love these little backpacks. These are the perfect size. They're water resistant for any of your adventure friends or travel friends that like to go outdoors and stuff like that. None of their stuff will get wet with one of these bad boys. The color is fun. I got a gender neutral one, of course, because that's what we're going with. That's the theme here. This was $80, so it's definitely in the more expensive category, but this is something that your friend or family member will actually use and will probably use a lot. And you'll get that satisfaction of like seeing them wearing that gift that you gave them, you know? There's something to that. There's something to be said about that. This will give you that. Big wallets are clunky. Big wallets get in the way. Little wallets you can just put in your pocket or throw in a different bag. They can just move easily from whatever they're easily transferable, and that's why I love them. I love traveling with them. I love when their ID is easily accessible. I got this one from Amazon.com. Stereotypically, this is good for like a dad or an uncle or a brother or like a nephew or something like that. But shoot, I would take this. A felt letterboard. These things are a hot commodity right now. People love them. They're so fun for decorating your house, for like a minimalist decoration, for holiday decoration, for like events. It could be like a birthday or a party or a New Year's Eve party. You can write like a phrase on it. It could change with the seasons. There's so many things you can do with the felt letterboard. This is definitely a good gift to give literally anyone you know. Also, it's extremely like aesthetically pleasing when there's like a cute quote on there. Have you seen them? You've seen them. You're on Pinterest. This again is another expensive item. This is probably the most expensive item I've purchased, the Apple Watch. Before you judge me on how expensive it is, I'm not gonna lie, I used to not be an Apple Watch believer either. I decided that it wasn't necessary and it was too much for me. And what happened was I got my dad one last year because he never answers phone calls. Like he doesn't hear them. It never answers. And he used it for everything. He uses it at the gym. He sets an alarm on it. He answers phone calls on it. He's on it constantly. I'm excited for this. So this is something I've actually never used, but all of my friends and my dad that have one love them, swear by them, live by them, don't go a day without them because they're so obsessed with it, because it's become a part of their daily routine. Obviously, this is something your baby cousin all the way up to like your grandparents would love. Polaroid cameras are always a go-to. You guys know probably 20 people that would like one of these. This is such a fun present, especially at Christmas, because someone will open it up and be like, oh my God, a camera. And then if you're smart, you'll include some film in there, and then they can take pictures of Christmas and like give out Polaroids, and it's just a cute thing. And then all of a sudden everyone will be like, oh my God, that was such a good Christmas gift idea. You're so clever. And you'll just be like, I know. Everybody has a plant friend. I know this because I am that friend. I love plants. I love them around me. They give you oxygen. They light up a room. They bring in some color. Like they're so good for the mind, body, and soul. So a good gift idea is a small little hanging plant pot, because not everyone is good at managing a lot of plants, but everybody can be good at managing one plant. And this is cute. If your friend is not a plant person, get them like a succulent or something that won't need too much attention. I'll just leave that up to you. Get yourself a travel-sized, gender-neutral cologne. One of my favorites that I've loved for years is Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue. And this kind of stuff is good for when you forget about someone. You know what I mean? Every year, it doesn't matter. Every single year, I forget about somebody. And it's good to have one of these kind of presents that you can literally give anyone and just be like, oh my God, Merry Christmas, love you, you know, something like that. That's what this is for. And for all of the foodies / lazy people out there, because we are all those people. And if we aren't, well, I am. I got a chip and dip bowl. This is everything I want in life. A bowl for my chips and a bowl for my dip. And this was really cheap. Like so cheap. I wanna say it was like $10 on Amazon. It's really cheap, so you can drop it and nothing will happen. This is a good one. I think this is one of my best ones, actually. You guys let me know which one was your favorite, but like, for sure. Well, that's everything I got. Leave me comments below which one was your favorite. Leave us comments below of gift guide ideas that you have that you want to share with us, and we'll all share and we'll all just be prepared for the Christmas season this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, which will be coming soon. Also, Vlogmas is happening. Vlogmas is not only happening, it's happening today. Today is December 1st, and it's happening now. I start Vlogmas today. So if you guys aren't subscribed to my vlog channel, be sure to subscribe to my vlog channel, because Vlogmas is gonna be lit this year. If you guys aren't sick of me yet, you will be by the end of December. I'm just kidding. You'll never be sick of me. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now. I've just been rambling.